Fetch AI at the time of this recording continues to see a bit of a short-term breakdown move, in a move that has continued to give us lower highs, which is an indication of some bearish momentum that is building up in the markets. And on today's video, I will be focusing on a negative structure that is playing out here on the charts, and above all discuss the key areas of supports that you need to continue holding. I will also be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis, and for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, and you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need to have for registration is an email address and a phone number to register for an account. Getting back to the charts, I want to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first zooming out and focusing on a negative structure that has been playing out on the charts from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, that is the 5th of August, where you can see that we started a very impulsive movement to the upside that peaked in a 5-wave structure, giving us a high above the $1.74, completing the formation of an even larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that Elliot wave count 1, I have been expecting that Fetch AI is going to give us a bit of a short-term breakdown move in the formation of an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $1.346 and the $0.927, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts. And this is an area that I'm expecting that Fetch AI is going to fully maximize, give us a low for the second wave before we can finally bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3. And because of the corrective nature of second waves, I have been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure play out within that wave 2, where you can see that on the charts I have managed to identify a wave A, then we have seen a wave B, and I'm expecting to see one more new low in this wave C to fully maximize our target area and give us a low for the second wave before we can then finally bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure in the formation of these Elliot wave count 3. So that is the price action that I have been expecting to play out here on the Fetch AI chart, and this target area over here between the $0.923 and the $1.341 is my key target area, an area within which I'm considering to DCA into Fetch AI, expecting a massive bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3. Jumping to the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and saw an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479, giving us a high in this Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and that means that there are high chances that we have the lows in place for the second wave, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we are going to finally see a bounce to the upside in a wave 3, then expect a wave 4, then finally peak to the upside in an Elliot wave count 5. And for that movement to also play out, we also need to see Fetch AI holding above the fib level 0.88 here on the Fibonacci's, and that lies above the 0.604. So in case of any sudden pullbacks, we need to see Fetch AI holding above the $0.6, because if by any chance we lose this key area on the Fibonacci's, that will be suggesting a total breakdown move that can easily give us a reset of the bear market lows. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.